As more and more products introduced by multinational companies around the world, they are constantly engaged in improving their products or services. To grab and gain market share, these companies do it for maintaining, expanding foothold in their market. Hence it is their topmost priority to get feedback from the market from the people who are actually using their product or service. These companies are spending billions of dollars for product research and they want feedback from their consumers. It would help them to get optimum output of their resources and at the same time be a market leader in their field of business. This gave rise to birth of survey panels whose main work is to conduct online surveys on behalf of those multinational companies and get feedback from the users or would-be users. These companies acquire, organize, arrange and conduct surveys and submit the report to their multinational clients who had hired them. Conducting surveys is a big process involving lots of technical skills and at the same time needs the participation of large group of people from different categories to attend these surveys. Survey panel are interested to have a large database of members of different categories from different parts of the world. This people should be interested to attend surveys, to post their opinions and reviews, and in turn they will be compensated with either cash or gift vouchers. Multinational companies would be paying huge money to these survey panels. These companies keep a part of the money for their administrative purpose and technical purpose, and the rest will be distributed among the members who attend these online surveys for cash and gift cards. How does survey panel works? 1. You register in any survey site with your email ID. 2. Confirm the link you receive from the survey site. 3. Complete your personal profile to receive surveys. 4. Start receiving surveys, depending upon your profile and also your area of residence. 5. The duration of survey varies from 5 minutes to 30 minutes or more. Interested to join a survey site? Click the link in the description.